In this video, I will show you how to use DeepSeek. First, open any browser on your system, type DeepSeek into the search bar, and press Enter. You should see the DeepSeek website in the search results. Click on it. Once on the home page, click on Start Now. Next, you will be prompted to log into your account. If you don't have an account, click Sign Up, enter your email and password, and click Send Code. Check your email inbox for the OTP code, copy it, and paste it into the DeepSeek login page. Then, check the Terms and Conditions box and click Sign Up. Once logged in, the interface will resemble ChatGPT. DeepSeek is an advanced AI model designed for various tasks. To ask a question or search for something, simply type your query into the text box and press the Send button. DeepSeek also offers additional features such as DeepThink R1. This enhances the AI's reasoning abilities, similar to the paid version of ChatGPT, but available for free. Beside that, we can see Search Mode. When enabled, DeepSeek will search the internet for real-time answers. For example, if you search for Nvidia stock price today, DeepSeek will fetch the latest results from the web. On the left-hand sidebar, you can manage your chats. You can close the sidebar, rename or delete conversations, and start new chats. At the bottom of the screen, there is a profile section where you can delete all chats at once or modify your account settings. And that's how you can use DeepSeek AI.